Renault ARKANA show car is a distinctive coupé crossover that meets new worldwide demands and expectations of our customers. It shows an astonishing balance between the elegance of a sedan and the sturdiness of an SUV. As such, it's innovative in this new segment, and it can be used for off-road and on-road, town and country, winter and summer travel. The ARKANA show car features a powerful and elegant and expressive design. You can see that through the muscular shapes, the 19-inch wheels, the wide wheel arches, very high ground clearance and 4x4 transmission. And for the elegance, we have a beautiful roofline, sophisticated chrome trim detailing, a glass roof, and of course, beautiful LED lighting signature as you're used from Renault. So this new concept, a coupé crossover, fits in perfectly with our worldwide strategy to please all the customers.
Renault ARKANA coupé-crossover will play a major role in the development of the Renault brand in Russia. We have the ambition for Renault brand to take 10% of the Russian market, which itself will represent the first market of the Group Renault worldwide. So this is a clear contributor to the growth of the company. And this car will be made in the Moscow plant, which is adding also an opportunity in terms of manufacturing operations. But Renault ARKANA will also grow in other regions of Renault, especially in Asia. So today it's a very important day with this world premiere, and I wish long life to Renault ARKANA.